Hi everyone, I'm already in the Philippines, in home, and we go to first day in Sam Clark. I arrive only with Georgi only 4 a.m. morning, and now 3 p.m. daytime already. We go to eat with Shaira to SM, and I will show what new in SM, because after tomorrow already Chinese New Year. That's why in SM maybe very good, many decoration for New Year. Shaira, how are you?
A little bit not good.
Yes, Shaira feel little bit not good. That's why she not work already maybe 3 days, and more 1 week not work, because little bit have problem with health. Maybe she will stop working McDonald's, I don't know. If she don't want or tired for McDonald's, she will stop working McDonald's. Also, I will upload video from Thailand, Pattaya. And if have new video from Angeles, from Walking Street, I will upload together. Because from Pattaya have so many video, and I need to edit so many video. Last video in Pattaya together with Nicholas. We been in the Soi Bukhao, he live in Soi Bukhao, and he will show. So with Nicholas, you know, Nicholas from Latvia, it's funny guy. Maybe he will come back to the Philippines, but now he don't want go to the Philippines, he said. Because not safety now in the Philippines, and I will show video what he say. Premium point-to-point bus to Manila Airport go. Prepare for Chinese New Year. Every country the same now. Shaira filming. Okay, let's go. And many cars in the parking now. Shaira, what you want to eat? Japanese restaurant. Okay, let's go. I will take picture, Shaira. So New Year Chinese start after 2 days. After tomorrow.
And then they will have like, red envelope.
Envelope, yeah.
From Chinese.
food court not so many people because time now 3:20.
I have
Maybe-
so many people because most of the students right now they go to they're studying right now. Only 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock.
After 6, 7 o'clock more people, yeah? But in China most of the people already have vacation. Many Chinese in Thailand, so many. Shaira, you know what I need. Okay, you choose first. I will take a seat here, find place for seat. What Shaira you order? New.
This is teriyaki chicken don, and then this one is teriyaki chicken special.
Chicken special. What different teriyaki chicken don and and special? What
This one is the same simple only teriyaki chicken don. This one is kimchi already.
Spicy.
Yes,
But spicy it's okay for you?
it's okay.
I like chicken don. Not spicy. It's good. How much this one? Same price?
Same price, but this one it's you add 10 pesos more.
Only at peso. Special. If you want special, at 10 peso only.
No, it's already automatic there.
Okay.
It
Not so many people in this restaurant because time now 3:35. Maybe after 5 p.m. more people. Yes, I will take picture you. Oh, Shaira buy coffee. No, exit open. Coffee shop. It's good. I think good price, Shaira, here.
I like that one.
You like? Next time you can go. We will go to Clark. Shaira want to sit in the park. In the what name park?
CDC Park.
CDC Park. This is name is CDC Park. Playground. My car is dirty. Long time I not. What is this? Someone put. I don't know. LTO service. I don't know. Not need LTO service. We already in the park. CDC Park. Time now 5:15.
Because it's for us to not sit here. This, they named the Clark from pioneer of the aviation.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, his name is Harold Calvi Clark, who born in Minnesota,
Yeah, born in Minnesota.
and he raised in Manila, Clark.
Mm-hmm.
And then he died on May 2, 1919.
Yeah.
Seaplane.
Seaplane.
From Hawaiian Island to Panama.
Guys, I will upload video from Pattaya together with video from the Philippines already, Angeles. Because from Pattaya, so many video from different streets in Pattaya. That's why I don't know if I will upload first Pattaya and continue upload from the Philippines, from Angeles. I think need more time. That's why who want watch video from Pattaya, you just only use playlist, because every video I already put in playlist. If who don't like Pattaya, who don't like Thailand, you just only choose another playlist. Please not send message to me, oh Pattaya I don't like, or I don't like Angeles. Every video I put in different playlist, and I want to say sorry I cannot reply now to comment, because I will reply, but I delay because I not open YouTube because I don't have time. I just only night time arrive Philippines, and I don't not open YouTube because I'm so busy. Also, when I come back to the Philippines, I need so many do it in home. Clean aquarium, cleaning the birds. So I am always busy. Also clean my clothes. Because Shaira not clean clothes, I clean my clothes myself. I don't want if Shaira work so much in the home. Oh, many like on your TikTok.
Yes.
How many subscribers on your TikTok, Shaira?
It's only 393 because it's new and I not maybe our subscriber don't know my TikTok also.
No, now we can show. So Shaira TikTok.
That's my second account. My main account is private. Yeah.
So private account TikTok you not show only to me. But I not use TikTok. I not watch TikTok. Guys, I want also say about English. I've been in the Thailand. You know, in Thailand so many foreigner with different nationality. They can speak, they speak English, different dialect. Some of English is foreigner, it's not the same, not good. Same your English and American people. And some of subscriber or who watch our channel sometimes say to me, your English is not good, please you go to study English. I won't explain again. I not study English. I study Chinese language. And also I see many people, American, from UK, they can communication in Thai with Thai girls. But you know how they speak English. Some of Thai people, it's not easy to understand. But most of the maybe haters when send me message, oh your English is not good, I not understand you like this. Go to Thailand, try to talk with Thai people. Maybe you also don't understand. We live together already about 12 years, Shaira.
Yes.
About 12 years we live together. Of course, now I am already not good looking. I am old. I am 52 years old. But when we meet with Shaira, I am 40. I am skinny, more young, of course. I don't know. Maybe I am more better looking before. That's why Shaira with me. I don't know.
Even your fat or not, it's okay for me.
But Shaira said if even I'm fat, no, I will go to a gym maybe soon. I start go to gym because I also don't want if I am more heavy now. And about English, I want to say, please not discriminate people who cannot good speak English. My English is most of the Filipinos understand me. For me, I live in the Philippines with my English, simple English. It's enough for enough. Yes, some of Filipino also cannot speak English good. It's okay. but I don't understand. You want to go to the Philippines, you want to meet with Filipino people, and you discriminate who cannot good speak English. I really don't understand. That's why, of course, it's not all, but most of the people very good, kind people, and I see many very nice person, and our subscribers very good people. Most of our subscribers very good people. Yes, beep accepted. So need to pay. First you need to buy card, beep card. Load money to beep card, and you can use this bus. This bus is comfortable. You can take bus in the SM and stop in park. Not need take taxi. Very cheap. You can go to the park. You see in the park so many people, so many, and they jogging and play. Already sunset, and we will go to home. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe and like. Salamat.